Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new, be sure to hit that subscribe button, stick around, hang out, have some fun. Alrighty you guys, so today we have such an amazing box. Also, I just wanted to show you guys something really fast and I'm super proud of it, honestly. Don't care, I'm this happy. I'm eating a ginormous cookie with frosting out of a bowl with a spoon. If you want to see what box I got, then just keep on watching.
I gave you my heart.
Alrighty, so you guys have already read from the title, I'm sure. We're unboxing the hemp crate. Yes, I've been wanting this so bad. So bad. I've seen multiple people unbox this box and I was super jealous. So now we have it. So this is a CBD related box. I'm so excited because CBD helps so many different things. And if you guys know me and you've been here for a while, you know that I have a hurt shoulder that the doctors can't really figure out what's wrong. So I'm hoping maybe this will help a little. So I have the health and wellness box. This is to help you chill and recover. And I believe this might be the starter box. The starter box is $44.99 a month, and the pro box, which the starter has 4 to 6 items. The pro box is $69.99 and it has 5 to 8 products. Or you could also pick the Hemp Explorer, which is just a kind of a mix of like a little bit of everything. And then there's the Furry Friends, which is CBD for your cats or dogs. And it comes with a little bit of things for you as well. So you both win. I also wanted to show you guys really quickly. This is the package it came in. And if you guys can see here at the top, it just says HCCO. Hemp Crate Company. So very super discreet if you didn't want anybody to know what's coming to your house. And then they are on Instagram and Facebook. Their Instagram name is hempcrate Co. Go check them out. They're super amazing. And let's just hop into this already, right? So I got it wrong. This is the Health and Wellness Pro box. So that means there should be 5 to 8 items in here. And there is a total overall value of $200 in here. So, off to a fantastic start. So first off, oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I've wanted one of these so bad. Seeing everybody else unbox this box and getting these, I'm like, oh, I'm so jealous. Okay, so there's that. Ooh! And it's a coaster. Nice. Oh, I'm so excited! Okay, so first thing here, that's what those look like. They're little honey sticks. Drift CBD. Honey crystallization, often referred to as granulation, is a natural phenomenon by which honey turns from a liquid to semi-solid state with granular composition. After being extracted from the honeycomb, honey tends to crystallize much faster than if it were in the wax cells. Awesome. It's CBD infused honey sticks, THC free, made from 99% isolate. 20 milligram per stick is the perfect dose. Scan the QR code to see lab results. 16 delicious flavors, low cost per stick, and they are third-party lab tested. For your mind, it's great for anxiety, stress relief, depression, helps you relax, PTSD, and OCD. So check. They're good for your body for pain relief, sore muscles, nausea, helps you sleep, inflammation, and seizures. Ah! Can't wait to try those. Okay, got a couple of cards in here. What is this? No way! Oh my god! It's Rockaway Rooibos Industrial Hemp Tea. 50 milligrams of industrial hemp-derived CBD per serving. For best results, steep tea bag in 8 ounces of boiled water for 5 to 10 minutes before serving. Yay! I freaking love tea, man. I freaking love tea. So I'll be drinking that tonight for sure. Ooh, hempcrate. Oh, it's a hempcrate chapstick. Yay. All natural beeswax lip balm. Oh, there's rosemary extract, vitamin E, aloe vera, beeswax, safety seal, vanilla. I needed that. Cool. Okay. Populum Lavender plus CBD Face Oil, 250 milligrams. Lavender plus CBD Face Oil is uniquely formulated for your evening routine to moisturize and leave your skin with a healthy glow. There is grapeseed oil, hemp seed oil, lavender oil, full spectrum hemp extract. Oh, yes. My gosh. Oh, wow. That's going to be super expensive. Do you see that frosted brown glass? Wow. And it's for all skin types. So see, even in here, you get beauty products too. Oh, yeah. Wow, that smells amazing. That sunk right in, like, quickly. Yay! Empower Body Care CBD Infused Lotion with peppermint and juniper plant-based relief. 175 milligrams of CBD. Yay! Maybe I could rub this on my arm and it would help. Apply to clean, dry skin multiple times daily as needed and rub in completely. Oh, cool. And then it's got a little pumpered guy right there. Oh. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. Wow. Okay. Moving on. What? Hand sanitizer. CBD hand sanitizer. There's 50 milligrams of CBD. What? In these times that we're in right now, like, hand sanitizer is gold. And it's child-proof. Real good. Real good. I broke it. So we have hand sanitizer. Moving on. We have a black velvety satchel. Lemon flavored CBD oil, 500 milligrams. Shake well, place 1 milliliter, 1 dropper full under the tongue, swish and then swallow, take as needed. There's 30 drops in here, which is 30 full droppers full. Full spectrum hemp oil. That's a lot. I think I'm only going to take like half at first. Lemony. Wow. And then Empower. Cute. Alrighty, and that is everything. That's $200 worth of CBD products. Wow. Okay, let's recap. So we got the chapstick, 1. The hand sanitizer that I will break into later, 2. The lotion, 3. The face oil, 4. The tincture drops, 5. The tea, 6. The honey, 7. And of course we got all of these stickers and coasters, so I'm going to count that as 8. So 8 products for $69.99, a total overall value of $200, and you get a full bottle of CBD tincture, I believe, every month. Every month. So super, super worth it. Please let me know down in the comments what your guys' favorite item was, and let me know what you guys think about this box. That's all I have for you guys today, and I love you guys so very much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!